Okay guys, going to take you through the 90-90 position and some active pigeons on the front side and trail leg lift-offs. So the 90-90 is called the 90-90 because as you look down your legs, every joint of your lower limb should be at 90 degrees. Now there's a few things setting up wise that I want you to be mindful of and whether you need to regress this drill. First thing is if you're in this position, you turn your body over the front knee. Are you feeling comfortable from the trail leg hip side? Does it feel really compressed and squished and gets a bit awkward? And the front leg, is the knee high, or do you feel like you just really cramped into the position? If you have any of these discomforts, I want you to raise your bum on the front leg up. So you can put this on a cushion, on a bumper plate, some pillows, anything you can get hold of. It'll just offload your hips slightly and make it a bit easier, more achievable. And then when you're ready to progress, you can. Now, we're going to work on the front leg active pigeons. All I want you to do for this is imagine you're trying to get your chin as far forward over your knee as you can, keeping a straight back. So up tall with the body, lean forward as much as you can, being as light in the hands as you can. With the straightest back, you're going to feel a big pull in the glute. Deep breath, relax into this position for a second and then push yourself away. Okay, you can repeat that as instructed as per the plan. Now with the back leg, we're going to be doing trail leg lift-offs in internal and external rotation. So internal rotation is the foot lifting off. Now some people try to lift off and they get really stuck. If this is you, then there's two ways you can modify this. You can either get on the bumper plate and cushion, and that will give your hip a bit more capacity to move into internal rotation, or you can just lean forward and see if you're able to lift from that position. Now when we're lifting, I want you to hold for a couple of seconds and parachute that release. I don't want to see it just kind of like you swinging your leg around everywhere. I want this to be a nice controlled movement pattern. Okay, go through the reps as instructed, and the same applies with the external rotation, lifting the knee off, lift up, try and keep your torso pointing forward. If you feel like it's really awkward and you need to tilt into it, that'll just allow the pelvis to rotate slightly and give you a bit more freedom to move. The ultimate goal with this drill, guys, is to minimize compensation from the rest of the body. So the movement should be true to what it is we're trying to achieve and not allowing the whole body to swing along for the ride. Hope that's useful.